Okay, so what I'm finding is that it's easy. The easiest way to do this is to get the key tapped into the hub of the clutch first, and then slide it onto the shaft. So let's try this again. Let's see if we can get this on here. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. And we'll get all of our pieces slid into place here. Oops. I forgot I gotta put my keyway on the jack shaft first. So we'll get that put into place. We'll spin this over until we find the keyway. There it is. There we go. Okay. So now we're ready to rock. Gonna get everything slid on. And that's it. I'm gonna give it a little tap with my hammer here. That's it. It's all the way on there. So now we just got to come in here and put the set screws in behind the hub. And on my application, it's going to be kind of tricky because I got this 1/8 inch engine plate here. So it's taking up obviously 1/8 of an inch between the clutch and the motor. So it'll be, I got room, I can get it in there, but it'll be a little bit tricky for me. Alright, and there you can see the 2 set screws on the back of the clutch. I know it's a tight shot, but this side right here that I'm touching with the Allen wrench, that's the clutch. This side over here, that's the engine plate, and this aluminum looking stuff, of course, is the aluminum housing of the engine. Now it's kind of tricky because you can't take the short end of your Allen wrench to get in there and really get a good tighten these down real well. So you got to go in with the long side and stick it in there to get it cinched down. And what I'm gonna do, if you got those T-handled Allen wrenches, that'd be great. I wish I had some. I might go buy some. But basically what I'm gonna do is take the short end, put some vice grips on there, snug it down like that, so that I can get in there and really tighten down those set screws as best I can. I'll come in later on and put some Loctite on them or something. I'm a little worried about that, tell you the truth, because it might make it pretty difficult to get them out. And that the blue Loctite, which is like the medium strength, did not seem to work on these set screws before. So anyway, I'll spin this engine around and I'll tighten up that other one, and then we'll see how she runs. Well, as you can probably tell, if you go watch some of my other videos with that Hilliard clutch, this one's a hell of a lot quieter, and the engagement is smoother. I'm real happy with this clutch, and so anyway, I got a few little kinks to work out. Some of the chains are binding up a little bit, so I'm gonna try and make some adjustments, loosen everything up. But so far, I'm really happy with this clutch. I am a little bit worried about those set screws in there, because they're kind of, it's sort of a, to me it seems like it's a bit of a catch-22, because those set screws are hard to tighten down, and I don't want to put the high strength Loctite because they're easy to strip out too. And if you strip out those set screws, then it's going to be really difficult to remove this clutch. So anyway, I got a few little tweaks I got to make, get everything kind of realigned, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to make a new chain shroud, but that'll be a separate video. So anyway, the bike's all fixed now. Got the brace welded in here on the down tube. Got the crack fully welded up, and got a new clutch on there, and got the rear wheel trued up. So that's it for this series of videos, and I appreciate y'all watching.